Interesting decisions of Hazrat Ali, R.A. The judgments based on intelligence and justice of Hazrat Syedna Ali Al-Murtaza I were known throughout Arabia. That is why other religions apart from Muslims, people used to approach Hazrat Ali for solving their problems. When you would give a decision with your knowledge and wisdom, people would accept this decision wholeheartedly because you always made decisions according to the requirements of justice and fairness. During this period, he made such historic decisions regarding mathematics that great mathematicians expressed surprise at these decisions. Once there was a dispute between three men over the distribution of 17 camels. They came to the service of Hazrat Ali for a just decision, and while explaining their problem, they said, "We have 17 camels, one of which is a share of the total camels, is half, while the share of the second is 1/3, and the third is 1/9 of the total number of camels. Therefore, may you tell us a